What's going on, guys? Happy Thursday. Last trading day of the week. Tomorrow, Good Friday, the market is closed. So we got to do what we got to do today and get it popping. Guys, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button for me. It really helps out tremendously. Let me grab the watch list so we can start going over that watch list. Let's see something here. I try to send it to myself on my other computer so we can just go over it together. Like you could actually see it. There it is. Here we go. Oh, every time. Every time I try to do something nice. Here we go. All right, there we go. All right, guys, so that's the watch list there. Let me grab the chat section. Pop this bad boy out so I can post it on there. The Beast, what's up? Okay, so that's the watch list right here. DTC futures course. 1 day, 10 hours left for you to take advantage of 35% off. I told you every couple days the discount price would drop. So we've gone from 45% all the way down to 35%. And we only got 1 day, 10 hours left on that one. So make sure you take advantage of that, all right? Now, as far as the watch list, much smaller watch list today. We've had some big watch lists the last few days, but today, man, it got to the point where I was like, man, if I have to work this hard to find stuff, today might not be the best trading day that there is for at least for the equities. So you know what? I said I'm gonna stick to just the overall market and Tesla. So we got SPY, Tesla, ES. All right, here's what the watch list looks like, guys. So if you're not familiar with the watch list, there you go. That's what it looks like. And I will post a link here in chat for you to sign up for the watch list. All right, so on the SPY, very simple. Going to be watching yesterday's low, that 406 zone. Right down here. Bring this. There's your 406 zone. I'm going to be watching this area for support. You know, if we get down there, I'll watch for that area for support for a little bit of a stronger bounce. Okay. But if 406 gives up, like if we just open up around here, push up into 407 and roll it over, or push up into yesterday's close and roll it over, and 406 gives up support, then I'd have to watch for a dump into 404 through 402. Okay. Then Tesla, I wouldn't have expected, guys, 4 straight days of downward pressure like this. 1, 2, 3, and today would be day number 4. But the reality is that's what it's looking like. Okay, we cracked this 185.40, which is a key level of support. And if we can't get back up over that zone, right, especially if we can get back up over yesterday's lows, you could see Tesla dump all the way down towards the 177 area. All right, so keep a close eye on that. You got to see these levels recover if these stocks are going to start to give a little bounce back. And then on the ES, very simple. Oh, I guess because over here on this other computer, my chart is bigger. I was like, why does it look? Yeah, see, that's what it is. Okay, so on the ES, watching 425 to 423 resistance and 4100. So 4120, 3 resistance. You call it to 4125 really. Resistance and 4100 support. Right now, we're trying to bounce off of a little minor level of support here at 4107, 4105. All right. So keeping an eye on those three little levels. We'll put a line here. So those are levels I'm going to be watching this morning. Good morning, Shina. Dan, what's up, my man? The travels are over. The market's closed tomorrow, bro. At least you're back for the last day for sure. At least you got that. Oh, you're trying to Florida? Yeah, I remember you said something about that. I think you were gonna go look at some properties. Next week vacation? Nice. Is it a trading vacation? Like, are you gonna trade while you're on vacation or not? Wow, guys. Spy straight down off the bell. Like straight down. Wow. Oh, hey, Nathan. Sorry. Sorry, man. Those name changes keep throwing me for a spin. Oh no! So you can't trade next week, Dan? Yeah, next year I'm gonna have a vacation where I won't trade. This summer there'll be a a few days here and there where I won't trade for sure, for sure. But yeah, next year we have a cruise booked already, so that'll be a week long of no trading. I haven't really had a whole week of no trading. I think since 2019. Like I've taken partial weeks off, like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off or something like that. I don't think I've taken a full week off of trading since 2019. That's crazy to say. I want to see this spy just get down to 406 and maybe get this ES down to 4100. Maybe we can catch a little bounce off that level. Some sort of little relief bounce at least. Damn it. Just a property we were going to go see today, possibly. It sold. It was a fourplex. Yo, Jonal's in the house. Jonal's back in Florida, guys. At least for a few days or something like that. A couple weeks. I don't know. He's far away from me though. Guy's like 5 hours away or more. I don't even know. You're embarrassing me, Jonah. Stop it. You guys ever seen Fast and Furious when Vin Diesel's like, "You embarrass me." This guy came to Florida and already started melting. Freaking embarrassing me already. We're testing those 4100s on the ES. We're testing the 4100s on the ES. That 4106. Sorry, that 406 on the Spy. Send him to Canada. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna try to get a little bounce back here. Let's see if it wants to work. We got room to bounce back towards at least 4105 for a little scalp, and then possibly 4107 zone. I do want to take some profits as we go. I'm gonna put out an order there. Saw a couple. Saw one there. I came back down faster than expected. Oh, that's nasty. Don't like that. Thought we would get at least a little bit higher. Looking at that relief bounce. If we break under 99, I'll cut it loose. It's looking like it's not going to want to give us a stronger bounce. Let's see if this area wants to hold. Yeah, the beast. Yep. We bounced off of it strong. Then we got slapped from up there. Put a stop down here at the lows. Because I think if we break the lows again, I think we just start to bleed out. Remember, I'm trading here in that little challenge account. I wanted to try to do, try to see how quickly I could get the 150K account uh, evaluation passed. Yesterday was a really good day on it, but I could give back a chunk today if this trade doesn't work itself out here in my favor. Right now, I'm not feeling too confident. I definitely got a good average price, but it's not looking good. There it is. It's gone. All right. Well, not the account, just the trade. Just the trade. So I gave back about half of yesterday's gains. It's generally not how I like to do it, but I'm trying to speed this one up and try to get it past. It's just a challenge on myself, really. That's all it is. I had to get long there, man. That was a good bounce area, and I think we still could bounce. We'll see. It had the makings. We had a really nice, strong volume bounce off that level, but then like the B set, it got absolutely demolished at 4104.50. It just got hit by a bat, right? Yeah. So far, right now, SPY well underneath those 406 zone. The ES violating that support of 4100 pretty thoroughly. Not in anything. Ooh, Tesla looks really good for a short opportunity there. Similar to yesterday's, guys. You remember yesterday we talked about a similar trade setup. Very similar. Look at it right here. We talked about that setup right there for a short there. And look at that thing roll over. Now today we're right at it again. I'm not going to have enough time to get my broker open and get that trade on. Yeah, see? Not going to have enough time. So no relief bounce here this morning. Guys, today's flash deal on Lilu. It ends today at 11:59 p.m. Let me get it for you. It's on the 250,000 and the 300,000 account. While we let this market find its footing, I'm going to take a minute here and get that for you guys. There you go, guys. It's in chat. All right, maybe now we're gonna try to bounce back. Maybe now we're gonna try that bounce back. We're back over 4,100. We kind of set a low there at 40.97. Let's see. Yo, Jay, good morning. Oh, nice. You signed up for the futures course? Nice, dude. Good stuff. Way to take advantage of the discount. I think you got it on the 45% off. That's great. Oh, guys, the SPY was looking like it might want to try to bounce there, but nope. Tesla is moving though. The Q's not so much. If these areas don't hold up, you might see the ES drop all the way down to the 4070s, man. SPY still weak. Tesla looking good on that reversal. So Tesla actually setting up a nice reversal so far. The Q's trying to bounce. The SPY trying to bounce, but it's not looking good, man. It's looking mighty weak down there. Looking mighty weak. Let's see now if this SPY can break back up over 406. That it should, if it can, it should get towards VWAP and at least test VWAP. I don't know about it breaking up over VWAP. I mean, honestly, I feel like all of these should really give some sort of relief bounce today. Nothing huge, I don't think, but at least a little relief bounce. That's at least what I'm thinking. I know the job numbers came out. I don't think they're as bad. It's showing obviously that we're weakening, but I don't think it's too drastic of a weakening either. Actual was 228,000 jobless claims. Expected was 200,000. Previous was 246. I don't think it's that bad. Like, I think it's actually in the realm of like, okay, maybe things aren't too terrible. And I think that's where we need to be at. If we would have came in at 260,000, 270,000, significantly more than the previous month, then I would be like, "Yeesh, that's really bad." We don't have anything coming up here at 10. Might give it a shot here for another long setup. Let's see. Oh, wow, that's a big candle on the SPY at VWAP. That's a hefty one. Can it be enough? VWAP right now holding resistance on the SPY a little bit. Yeah, VWAP holding resistance on the SPY a little bit there. Might cut this scalp here. Watch re-entry. So made back a huge ton of what I had lost on the first trade. So another quick scalp there. Made back half of what I lost on the first trade, a little bit more actually. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna get you another coupon. D Christian. Hold on tight. Which account were you trying to get? Which account were you trying to get? And I'll get you another coupon. Both? Any other two? All right, hold on. All right, there you go. Remember, you have to use that for the bundle section. So you have to click on bundle. So right here, you got to scroll down and click bundle, Lilu bundle. And then pick one of these two and use those coupons. All right, guys. So I went after that bounce there, but I was only able to capture. I mean, look, I could have taken the whole thing off a little bit higher up and I'd be green on the day. But I held on looking for, the stronger bounce back to 4108. We didn't get that. We got really stuck there at 4102 zone. So I went ahead and just booked it. Knocked the red on the day by more than half. Yeah, very choppy. That one works perfect, D. Very choppy, the beast. Like those bounces are choppy at least. That was a very significant bounce on the SPY. A very strong candle. I mean, come on. Look at this candle. That's a strong candle on the SPY off of that support zone. But no dice. I mean, obviously, I'm looking for a reversal trade this morning off of this key level. I only like to do reversal trades off of key levels. But that's a key level on the SPY, so I went after it, but it didn't work. Looks like I should have just gone short at 4102. Yep, very indecisive. Look at Tesla, how choppy it went all the way through that, all the way to 182, and now it's reversing course. The Qs are trying to hold up. GFAI is going to have a tough time here in these mid 13s. If it can clear those levels, it can get crazy, but it's gonna have a tough time there for now. Spy still looking weakish. That's funny, good king. I have not. I have not. No. So maybe now we'll start to get that little bounce attempt. I think if we can get through 4102, we could probably see a really nice move on this thing. Yeah, that zone there, that's what I'm talking about. That 406 zone has been trying its best. It really, really has. I think it's got potential. I really do. Like I wouldn't give up on that idea just yet. Not it doesn't want to go. Like it's still struggling there at 4102. I don't, I think it's gonna make the move, but it's having a hard time. I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh, there it goes. Damn. I just said I'm gonna give it a shot, and there it goes. Damn it. There we go. I was struggling to get the camera over. All right. That's a nice push already. I'm gonna put a sell order there at 4107. See if I can get a fill. Let me track my. That was a really nice bounce there. I can't believe we're not gonna like just put one of those humongous candles through 4108. Damn, my copy and paste didn't work. I had somebody send me a message via email saying that they were they were halfway through the futures course in Great Info, and I copied and pasted, but I don't know why it just didn't work how I wanted it to. So far, we got like 3 people have gone through the course, or at least halfway through it. We're getting good reviews on it. And that's just like a beta that we did, because the full course will be open uh, on the 17th for everyone that did the pre sale launch. Thanks. That did the pre-sale launch. Everybody will have access to it then. So what we did was we got like a little group and had them review it prior. And of the 3 people, there's one that's halfway through the course now, and they're enjoying it. They're getting some good info out of it. What do they call that? Like when you do product testing like that. I forgot the name of it. Guys, I'm gonna sell a piece here. I think. Yeah, I saw the piece there. Yeah, it's like a beta tester, exactly. But no, it's like when you get a group of people in a room and you show them a commercial. God, what was it called? Focus group. There you go. We did like a little focus group, exactly. Exactly. Guys, I'll stop out the rest of this thing at break even if it gets down here to this area. I thought we were gonna get some more oomph off of that, man. I'll re-enter again if I need to. Yeah, focus group, exactly. So that's the last person. That's what I was trying to copy and paste on there, but it didn't work how I wanted it to. The other 2 were into it. They liked it a lot. They enjoyed it. They learned. They learned a lot. The one remaining person is halfway through it. And then on the 17th or just before then, it'll be available for you guys to jump into. Dan, the Cuban coffee arrived, and this time it's in like a Mickey Mouse one. My daughter wanted me to drink coffee in it today. So good, man. I've been up since 4 something in the morning. Went back to sleep like at 7. Woke up at 8:30. My kid woke up at 4 something. She was like ready to rock and roll, and my wife is sick. So I was like, all right, I'll take over. All right, I'm gonna sell 2 more there. Now I'm in 6. Let's see if we can get a little bit more of a move. Oh, you couldn't see the coffee, my man. Hold on, let's see if we get this fill real quick. Here it comes. Come on. 0825. Give me that 0825. Here it comes. My God, there's so much selling. There it is. I can show you the coffee. Bam. Coffee. Let's get back to work here and keep managing this trade. We knew we were on point with that reversal idea, guys. We knew we were on point with it. How many contracts do I have left? I got 4 left. I'm gonna sell 2 more there. I'm gonna hold on to these. See, I'm gonna hold on to these a little bit. I'll cut them loose if we come too much lower there because the last thing I want to do is double top up here. You know, we could double top easily. That's a good trade, guys. We're back in the green on the day. All right, this is exactly what we were talking about yesterday, risk management, right? We're back to green on the day now. We can always watch for re-entries. I'm gonna tell you guys in a minute. Once we're done with this trade, I'm gonna tell you why I'm being even extra quicker on these takes. I mean, I can just tell you right now. I'm keeping an eye on my trailing stop or on my trailing, yeah, trailing stop, right? That's what we call it here on the prop firm account. The trailing stop, trailing auto liquidation zone, because you're in here with some size, you get a big push, and you don't take profits, and then all of a sudden your trailing stop just pushed all the way up there with you, and you pull back, and you're like, oh, I'm gonna stop out here because I'm still in profit anyway, so I'll just stop out, you know, or I'm gonna hold on to it because I can stop out at break even and whatever. But then you get hit by that trailing stop. Then you get hit by the trailing stop, and you're like, "Damn it! I was in a winning trade. Why did I?" Well, because that's what happens. They want you taking profits along the way. They want you scaling out of trades. You know, they don't want you leaving profit on the table. So you got to keep an eye on that trailing stop. Yeah, the beast. Good eye. Good eye. I like that. Really good eye, man. A little bit of a cup and handle formation there. Good eye, the beast. Here's your little cup and handle. Here's your handle portion. If we break again, over 4108, this thing could start to make a little move. 4108, 200 contracts on that level. It's just getting bought up, but then they throw more right on top of it. Yo, Bill, congrats. Nice job being green. Oh, well, that. I was putting an order out on the ask. That thing got executed mighty fast. It got filled at 41 110 where I was putting it. Good lord. Are really moving there, guys. We have room here towards about 4115 or so. That's based off of the hourly chart. Next potential resistance zone. We're at that resistance zone on the SPY as well. So this is resistance zone right here. Then we have resistance up at around 4115. That cup and handle, man. I almost added, thanks to the beast identifying that cup and handle. I almost added back. I just didn't get it. I didn't get a chance. I was gonna add back, not to full size, but I was gonna add back some more contracts there. It would have worked out beautifully. Good eye, my man. We have some minor resistance here at 4112. If that holds up resistance, we could see a drop back down towards 4102 or so. But if we can break 4112, I think we should get up there and test 4115, which I think will be some resistance. But I don't know. I think we could break it as well. But I'm not going to be extra greedy. I'll take that. You know, we're already up 8.5 points. Already back well into the green on the day now. I'm gonna just close it there then. If it wants to act like that, I'll just close it. Damn. Hell yeah, guys. From being down on the day, reversal patterns, man. From being down on the day, about I think it was 1,300 bucks or something like that. We're up on the day 25 over 2,500 bucks. And that's with the commissions. If it was not for the commissions, it's 2,650. So that was what? Damn, that was almost a $4,000 trade. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Hell yeah. Maybe we'll get another shot. So now this account needs another 4,400 bucks and change, and we get it funded. What? Makes me want to go after it right now again. Let's go. Boom. 15 contracts. No. No. We do it right. We wait for the setups. We wait for the setups. It might be today or it might be next week. More than likely, it'll be next week. But that'll be pretty quick. When did I start trading this account? I think it was Tuesday. So 3 days in, we're already half the way there. A little bit more than half. A little bit more than half the way there. A little bit more than half the way there. All we need is one or two more big trades without a red trade in between. A red trade in between could set me back a grand or two, and that would suck. Fire. One thing. So there's one thing I want to talk about here, right? I'm doing this. I'm trying to do this fast. Okay. This is basically the equivalent of like when you saw famous YouTube scalpers on YouTube turn a few $100 into a crap ton of money over the course of a year. They were just doing it fast, right? Just bang, 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 bang. This was years ago. Some of you might not even have been into trading yet when that was going on YouTube. Um, Whether it was legit or not, it's irrelevant. I don't know. the The point I want to make is that the beast laughs because he knows. The point I want to make is that I've always said that I wouldn't do small account challenges because I always saw them as marketing ploys, and I believe they are. And honestly, they take away from me actually making money. Um, but the point I want to make, really, I got distracted by an email. The point I really want to make is that just because I might, Because I could blow this up on Monday. I could, because I might get this account past the $9,000 threshold in maybe let's say 5 trading days, and I make it look easy. Doesn't mean that I think a new trader who is brand new to this will go through the course later this month can go and replicate this inside of a week. I don't think they can. Why? They lack the fundamentals, they lack the understanding of technical analysis. And these are all things you'll learn. But just because you go through a course one time doesn't mean that, let's say, you come out the other end like me, or somebody way better than me. You know what I mean? It's a marathon. It takes time. I went through courses, like really good courses. That's how I got here. And I just at the end of them, I didn't like, you know, and that's it. I sat down like, bang, let's go, big trades, consistent small trades, consistent big trades. No, it takes time. So just this is a challenge for me. For me, it's not a challenge to show you, hey, you can do it in 5 days. Nah, man, if I said that, it would be a complete disfavor to you guys. It would be a complete and utter disfavor. And you know what? That's the type of marketing that sells courses. That's the type of marketing that sells accounts for affiliate links and all this other stuff. That's the type of marketing these people do on YouTube to get your money. Straight up. I probably do myself a disfavor by being so blunt. I probably take money out of my pocket because I could be like, you see, 5 days you can do it too. You might. I'm not gonna say you can't, right? Hell, some of you can probably be better traders than me inside of a year. It's possible. The skills might be there within you. And then when you go through the courses, it just amplifies it. But I have to be truthful. I can't, and I need to sleep good at night. And I'm telling you that just because you saw me right now take this account in 3 days to 50% of the way there, I don't think that a brand new trader has the skill set, even after going through courses, to do that because it takes time to build and mature those skill sets. Okay. Just wanted to put that out there, guys, because I couldn't live with myself. See, the furus will make you think that that's how it is and it's easy, but that's why they're furus. Hold on, guys. My kid's outside my door. My kid wants me to take her outside to get on the boat because I brought the boat back up from the Keys to get some work done. The work's already been done. Now it's time to clean up. Well, I got some other little things I want to do. And she's like, I want to go outside on the boat and play. No, you can't go outside on the boat and play now. Do that later. Yeah. ¿Encontraste dos dineros? Ok. Yo no tengo dos dineros aquí, mami. Ahorita yo te doy dos dineros. Papi está trabajando. Sí, yo también quiero dinero, por eso que estoy trabajando. Dale para allá. Cierra la puerta. Cierra la puerta. Rebeca. Gracias. Bye. Ok, coge tu dinero ahí. Dale. Nene, dale. Bye. Rebeca. Dale. Those of you who understand Spanish must have been cracking cracking up. She came in and she's like, I want money. She wanted me to pretend to put money in her hand. She wanted 2 coins. And I was like, yeah, I want money too. That's why I'm working. Oh my God, man. Yeah, the beast, exactly. Uh, you're not an expert after a week. Exactly. You're not an expert after a week. Say you go through. I don't know what's wrong. My wife's sick. Hopefully, I'm not catching it. Um, you can't go through the course, right? Or even the full DTC curriculum. Spend a month going through the full DTC curriculum from start to finish, taking all the tests and quizzes, and really just sitting there and studying and like taking it serious, right? And expect to be an expert. You're still gonna need your 10,000 hours of screen time, guaranteed. You're still gonna need that. You're still gonna need that. And like I've told you guys before, how can you achieve that? You're done trading on the morning. Don't shut off your screens. Don't go to the. You see how on you, and I'll say it. I'll go. We'll jump in the car and we'll go to the zoo, right? But I try not to pitch that life, because the reality is that's not the life of a new trader. That's the life of the experienced trader. You need to be able to stay here without trading, watching charts, watching price action, identifying patterns, watching videos and understanding and reading and going through the course again and again and again. Like, don't go through the course one time and be done with it. You got to go through the course. You got to go through the course at, multiple times. Multiple times. We're getting that little pullback here. Back to 106 zone. Made new highs on the SPY. We could come back down to VWAP and test that bounce, and then maybe later go test yesterday's close. That's possible. There you go, Dan. Exactly, my man. Exactly. Right? When I was starting out trading, I would come in the morning, I would trade in the simulator, and then I would leave my charts up. Win or lose, I would leave my charts up. I'd have breakfast, I'd watch my charts, I'd look at, macro news. I would do my regular, run my regular businesses on the side over here. And that's it. But I would leave the charts up all day. I would not, those charts would come off like at 4 p.m., 4:30 p.m. That's when those charts would come off. I would leave those charts up there running all day, the scanners going. I would click on things. Back then, it was early on. I knew that, well, I didn't know. I know now that there were simulators on, but you know what I would do? I'd grab an envelope if that's what I had on my desk. And I've shown that on YouTube. I don't know. I don't think I have it anymore. I might look. Or I'd grab a notepad and I would paper trade. Like literally, I would grab a pen or a pencil and paper trade. Meaning, I put the ticker, right? I put the price point where I would buy, and then I would, put the sell, or if I got stopped out, whatever, I would write it down. Like I'd literally write the stuff down. But you gotta be willing to put that kind of work and dedication and discipline into this stuff, guys. What time is it? 10:25 a.m. That 4106 zone was I was talking about for a potential bounce, but honestly, I'd rather just see the SPY get down to VWAP. I don't think it's gonna make it though. This 4106, 4107 was a zone on the 60-minute chart. You could see it right in here. And we just got down there and tested that zone. Now we're trying to bounce off of it a little bit. As a matter of fact, I think. Oh, no, that's not where my first trade was. I don't think it was. Let me check my orders. No. No, it wasn't. I was playing that 4100 every all morning. Jonah. All right, guys, remember the 35% off is today, Thursday, and Friday. Oh, and that's for the futures course, guys. All right, yesterday we did a good lesson. Okay, we had yesterday in the morning we went 2 for 2. We did the lesson. Then after the stream, I caught a good trade. I don't think today I'm gonna do any watching after the stream. Gotta take care of the family because wife's a little bit under the weather, kids running amok. So today I probably won't do that. I might go ahead and do a little recap video of today's trade because I did record it and I'll post that on YouTube. Okay. Plus, I'm definitely tired, man. Like I said, I've been up since four something in the morning. I went back to sleep at 7, woke up at 8:30, but still running on fumes here. I had breakfast like at 5 something in the morning. I usually don't get up until like 7:30, to be honest. And that's to just ease into the morning, really. So I don't think I'm gonna do any after the stream trading today. I rarely do. I really rarely do. Yesterday I just couldn't pass up that trade. And it didn't even work out well. I just ended up scalping a portion of it and stopping out the remainder, similar to how the morning was. Unlike today. Today we had a really nice trade. It worked out. I I mean, damn it, man. If I would have held on a little bit longer to the bulk of the position, looking for that move towards 407, 408, I would have done way better. Way better. Good lord. But I was still in that scalp mentality, so I was just trying to get in and out. It was enough though. We did well on it. So I did record the trade. Let me make sure. Let me make sure that I'm not talking BS. Okay, I did record the trade. Beautiful. Here it is. All 12 minutes of it. Not bad. Oh wait, you can't see it. Ah, there we go. So there's the recording, 12 minutes of it. So what I'll do is I'll probably edit this into a recap video and I'll post it up on YouTube later today. What time is it? 10:30. I was really hoping we'd get a little bit deeper pullback here for another scalp on the ES. The beast. So so thank you. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's the plan for today on YouTube. I'll throw up that recap on YouTube, and then tomorrow the market's closed, guys. What are we gonna do? Ugh. I had that one bad feeling. I went on Monday to the dentist. They found, bro, the previous place was trying to destroy me. They said I had 3 bad fillings. I went to this new dentist, brand new place opened up recently, and I was like, "What's up?" And they're like, "Nah, you got 1 bad filling." So like an old filling that they need to redo on one of my molars. So tomorrow, and I thought to myself, the market's closed on Friday. That's when I need to go. So I asked them, "Hey, you guys open on Good Friday?" And they're like, "Oh yeah, we're open." I was like, "Bet. What's your earliest appointment?" And like 9 a.m. Like, put me down. So tomorrow 9 a.m. I gotta go over there and do that. I was hoping today I'd go check out a property, but my partner just texted me, told me that the property was sold last week. It was a fourplex. A little upset about that one. Could have been good. It could have been good because the idea there was a Section 8 deal, and with that being a fourplex, that would have been good. Oh yeah, for sure, the beast. But it's so hard, man. It's difficult right now to find good deals. I'm seeing prices are beginning to drop. But whatever. It's gonna take a minute. We'll find one. We'll get one. And that's one, and we'll go after another one after that. Because that's the idea. They're ridiculous, man. There's just too much. There's just too much. We're seeing things that are just ridiculous. Like we're seeing, you know, $300,000-$400,000 properties that that's what they're asking. That really, I mean, they need like another 50,000 into them to get them where we want them to rent out at a good price. Obviously, because you can rent it how it is, but it's gonna be crap. You know, rent them out at a good price. But then you're better off leaving the money, guys. The other day I tweeted this. Like the thing with this, you know what? We're gonna go into a little real estate thing here. Hold on. First, let me go get my tweet. That's not it. Okay. So here's my Twitter. Oh yeah, 25% off on trade ideas, scanners, and AI, guys. Oh, there it is. So here we go. Okay, Wealthfront. All right, I'll get you the link if you want. If you guys want, I'll log in and actually get it for you. Okay, so check this out. We're finding deals, real estate deals, where the amount, the percentage gain after everything is paid off, like after all our monthly expenses are paid off, stuff like that, is giving us, 5%, 4%, 3%. In some cases, negative. Okay? Give me a second. In some cases, negative percent. Like, it's just ridiculous. Some of these deals. Okay? Like, you're literally better off, and in my case, until you find a good deal, keeping the money in a high interest yield account. And that's what I have. Look at this. This was my month of March. In March, my account sitting at 4.3% made $690. I didn't do anything. I just sat there. When I saw that, I was like, damn it. I put more money in it last week. And now I'm like, okay, did my calculations? That means April, I should make about 800 and something dollars now on the month. Just having my money there. I'm gonna log in now. I'm gonna get you my link, because if any of you guys want to open an account here, you use my link, you'll get 4.8%. And I will too, for like 3 months or something like that. Yeah, see? Yeah, see? Right here. Here's our great savings and our great 4.3 APY. Celebrate even more interest with a friend. Refer to each and earn a 3-month 0.5 boost. So we'll go to 0.8. We'll go to 4.8 on our account, on our money there. So like, why am I going to go buy a house right now to make 4% or even 5%? It doesn't make sense. We need to make 7 to 10% minimum a month. So therefore, we need to get the deal at a price where we can buy into it, right? We can add value to the property, and then we can rent it out. And after all our monthly expenses are done, we are making a good profit, more than what we could be making, and significantly more, by just leaving the money in, such an account. I'm gonna get you guys that because it's ridiculous. And then think about it. You have like the money in like Bank of America making what, like 0.7%? No, bro. That's insanity. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's say you threw 10,000 bucks in there, you're gonna make 400 something dollars on the year right there. You know what I mean? Oh my God, Jesse, it's not a lot of money. Yeah, but it's, if you left $10,000 in your checking account or your savings account in Bank of America, you ain't gonna make 400 bucks in the year on it. You're just not. You're gonna make like $35. You know what I'm saying? Let me get you guys that link. Exactly, the beast. Exactly. I gotta reset my damn password. I never remember them. You're looking for a property, the beast? Heck yeah, man, get after it. Just be patient. We're being patient. We're definitely being patient. Oh, here we go. I got the link. Give me a second. There we go. Got it. There you go. Click that, guys, and go check it out if you like it. Wealthfront. It's pretty cool because the whole system there, what you could do with it is you can link all your bank accounts. You can link all your properties if you have properties. You can link all your investment accounts, your crypto accounts. You can link it all there, and then it'll gauge and show you your net worth with everything that you gauged. Sorry, with everything that you linked. You don't have to link it all. You can link some. You can link others. You can link nothing. But you can link it, and then it'll track your net worth for you. It's a pretty cool. It's a pretty cool system, and your money is secured by FDIC, right? So you're good to go. You ain't gonna. You're not investing this money. It's just in a cash account there, and that's it. It just sits there. It's like a savings account at Bank of America. Only you're gonna make 4.8% if you use my link for 3 months, and then it drops to 4.3. We'll both make 4.8 for 3 months, and then we'll both drop to 4.3, which is the current bottom that they have. And I think if they're not the highest paying bank out there, they're definitely in the top three for sure. No, see, we came all the way back down to VWAP. All the way back down to VWAP now. You could see some scalpable trades here if we can stay above 4104. I think I'm gonna sit on my hands here because we went 1 for 2 this morning. Actually, no. We went 2 for, what is it? 1 for 2. 1 for 2 this morning. And we're well in the green. So I'm gonna sit on my hands. Tomorrow, no live stream, guys. And then we're into Easter weekend. Um, So I guess I'll see you all on Monday. I'm gonna post up. I wonder if I should post up today's recap today, or should I just leave it for the weekend? I'm thinking. I do need one of those. I'll figure it out. I have the video there. I gotta record a piece of me talking and then edit it all together, and then I'll post it up. It'll either be up tomorrow or Sunday. Although Sunday's Easter, nobody's gonna be watching YouTube. Maybe I'll just post it up tomorrow, and then I'll do some YouTube shorts over the weekend. Oh man. I might do that. The Beast. I might just shoot the video and then send him both raw footages and be like, here, put it together. All right, guys, 10:43 a.m. I'm going to get out of here. And you should too, unless you're going to sit around and just watch the charts and gather up those hours on the screen. Good work today. Any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, the futures course is still on special, but it's 35% off today and tomorrow. That means Saturday and Sunday we will have a deal, but it again will be less of a percentage off than today. So today's 35% off. Saturday and Sunday will be smaller discount. So make sure to take advantage of that pre-sale. Yeah, the Beast says smash that like button. Thank you very much, the Beast. And then you already have the discounts for Lilu. So here's the free watch list. Sign up if you haven't. Everybody, have a great Easter weekend. Enjoy your time with the family. Enjoy the time off. Smash that like button like the Beast says. Jay, enjoy the weekend as well. Thank you guys very much for watching, tuning in. I will see you all Monday. Rest up, because next week I think we got ourselves a full week ahead of ourselves of trading, and I'm more than 50% of the way there to passing this 150K eval account. So let's see if we can get it done by Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. That'd be pretty sweet, I think. I don't want to be crazy. I'm gonna wait, right, for my setups again, and then attack accordingly. We're over half the way there, so we just need a little bit more to go. Guys, enjoy the weekend. I will see you all Monday morning. Peace.